Welcome all to Richikul Online School of Learning. We are dealing with chapter number 2, that is election and representation, and we are in the last module of chapter number 2, and we are elaborating here the electoral reforms. The electoral reforms in India. See, students, electoral reform are the various suggestions for reforming our election systems proposed by any individual or organization or various political parties. Electoral reform is a change in electoral system to improve how public desires are expressed in election results. This entails all the stages from the nomination of the candidates till the counting of the votes. The system is itself judged impartially and several changes are advised, gauging the voters' security and participation in the electoral system. Though there are many suggestions proposed to the Election Commission of India to reform our election system, but there are certain suggestions from political parties and citizens of India that are considered broadly, namely change of election system from FPTP to PR system of elections, 1 by 3rd reservation of seats in parliament for women, candidates with crime history should be barred from contesting elections even in the case is pending for hearing. Complete ban on use of caste and religious appeal in the campaigns. Law there must be a law for transparency in functioning of the political parties. There are other suggestions also, such as change in election system, manner of appointment of election commissioners, revision of limit of election expenses, auditing the election expenses, state funding of election expenses, funding of political parties, basically the transparency level on the funding of political parties, quick disposal of election petitions, compulsory votings, restriction on independent candidates, etc. etc. These are the reforms suggested in Indian electoral system. This is all from module 4 and chapter number 2. We'll be meeting in the next chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.